Hi guys, so in this video I wanted to show you the Amazon price tracker that I made uh, with Django. Like there's a nice front end with that and you can put values in it. So here is the Git repository. You can copy this from here. I will have a link in the description below. You just need to do a code and copy this. You can click on this button or Control C. Okay, then open up your terminal. Wait a second. Like a lot of people don't know about this. Close all. Like search for PowerShell. Okay, and run as administrator. If you know about computer and stuff like that, then you can create a, what do you call it, like you can clone this in a your desired repository, but for most people don't know about it, so I will tell them in this video. You need to make mkdir and then Amazon price. Don't give spaces or otherwise it will make multiple directories. Just share Amazon for now. Okay, so now you need to do cd Amazon. Okay, cd Amazon, and then you need to type, first you need to install git. If you don't have git, install git. You can install it from here. Git install Windows. On Linux and Mac it is already installed. You need to do that, and just that you need to go git clone and paste that URL. Okay, and hit enter. So that is it. Now let's do ls, and what did we got, and we have a new directory, so you need to go there, cd ni Amazon price tracker, and let's see. We don't have a, so now you need to do python dash mvenv. I like to call my virtual environment as venv. So here we are making a virtual environment. Okay, if you don't know virtual environments, forget about it. You can do with, you will be good without virtual environments. Now virtual environment is created. Let's do ls again. We have virtual environment. You need to, in Windows you need to do venv scripts and then activate.ps1, because we are running PowerShell. Then we need to do ps1, and now cd two times. Now you can see there's a venv. Okay, on Mac and Linux you need to do something like this: source venv slash bin slash activate, and type like this. Man, I will type it for you and enter it. Your virtual environment will be activated. Now you need to do few things. We need to install our dependency. We need to do pip install dash r requirements.txt. It is this file that we are downloading. So, and please make sure that you have pip installed. Python in general installed, man. Some people don't even have Python installed and they want to use Python. Okay, so all the dependencies are installing. It is a Python Selenium script, guys, on Django. Like, I don't know, like, what you want more than that for free. Hurry up. It will take a while, guys. It will take a while. Bear with me. So all it depends. Now you need just to do Python, and first make sure you have Chrome installed, guys. It will use Chrome. If you don't have Chrome, like what I will can tell you, you need to do Python. You don't need to run migrate because there are no databases and modules. Python manage.py run server. Okay, so the server, now you can copy this URL and go to there, this, and paste it here. Look at, guys. So this is, you can directly read like anything, like you can type you want an iPhone XS Max. Okay, you want a minimum price of like 300 and maximum price of, I don't know, this is in euros. Okay, this is, you are typing in euros. I should mention that here, but I didn't, sorry. So now you will run it and see the magic of Python. Here's it, guys. I am doing nothing and this is running by itself. Let me show you. Here, there it is, this, and I will put this in here. Ooh. Where is it? Now it is searching, looking for iPhone XS Max. It type in iPhone XS Max, like it type iPhone XS Max, but it is not showing here because it is not a full screen here. It type iPhone XS Max. It will gather all the data that is available on the front of the first page. Okay, it is looking for the data. Okay, so I found a glitch in the script, like it will not gather this data. Okay, it will not gather this data. So what can we do? Like I didn't do, we can do this, control C. Oh no, it gathered data. Look at this. Okay, I don't know why it's taking so long now, but it works. Here you have it, guys. Enjoy.